Hello students, good morning. This is a Shell Public School and today I am going to teach you information technology. This is class 9th and welcome all the students in the class 9. Okay. So first we will start with some basic uh, information about class 9th information technology NVQF level 1 book. It is provided by NCERT CBSE. Okay, you can see on the screen and we will discuss about all the contents in this book and number of chapters, number of units. We will discuss regularly in the recorded video sessions and marking scheme in the examination. All that we will discuss in this record session. So let's start. All the students listen carefully. Stay with the video with notebooks, pen, paper also. Keep silence and the area where no disturbance not found. Okay. So in this book, number of 7 units are there, and first unit, that is a functional English. That is functional English. All the students thinking about what is this the functional English in the information technology. Yes, this is important. NVQF level 1 book is designed, or curriculum is designed by the NCERT, and some of the basic functional English including in this book, like introducing yourself, greeting to other one, your colleague, your father, your mother, and talking about one of your family member, telling the time, asking the time, farming the questions like someone else, what is this, what about that, and describing about someone and something, describing the weather information, farming completing sentences, expressing likes and dislikes, expressing strength and weakness of yours, talking about aspirations, talking about values, quantifiers, inviting someone at your home, anywhere else, shopping for necessities, asking the price, negotiation with the price, confusing some words. Those are 18 sessions are there in the functional English unit first. And also we will discuss about in second unit, that is fundamental of computer, introduction of computer, parts of computer systems, fundamental computer, types of computers, how many and how are there, using a computer, how to familiar with them, how to working of PC. We will discuss about the working of PCs, operating systems are there, basic file operations we have operate in the on screen, the internet, world wide web, digital web technology, and computer safety security. Those are the fundamental of computer chapters we will discuss in the sessions. So unit 3, that is mastering typing with the help of some tutors or some applications and some office tools, we have working on typing, Hindi or English also. Getting started with just typing experience with lessons and some statistics, some typing techniques. Unit 4 is word processing, that is office tool, MS Word. We have practiced on the word processing application. Cut, copy, paste, check spelling, find, replace, manage their document, also edit with them. Formatting styles, printing a document, creating a table, formatting a table, lot of there. Number of 20 sessions are there in the of tool MS Word. Next office tool is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet, that is MS Excel. And we can work on practically based sessions are there. All are the practical based chapters. We will work on our computer lab after COVID-19 and school opening. All the chapters like functional English, those are theory chapters. We are practiced functional English on screen recorded videos, digital presentation, that is MS PowerPoint, and last chapter is email messaging. Create an email account, creating Gmail and Outlook account, how to send or receive email, what is email address, what is domain name, what is username and ID, how we create it, how we can create it. All those topic we can discuss, we will discuss in a recorded session daily. A session I am recorded and send it to you on your WhatsApp number. So I am requesting you, all the students, please provide your working WhatsApp number, your parents, your mother or sisters or brothers also, and also you have a WhatsApp number. Please provide and confirm it to school. That is my WhatsApp number. Regularly I am using it and using for the teaching and learning process. Okay. So also I hope you all of the students having download a school web application, and I am providing you ID and password. Those students not downloading the school web application, that is Shell Public School provided on Play Store, download it and send it information, your name, your parent name, your class name, to school WhatsApp number, that is 62652533364. I am providing your ID password, and you can download this book or syllabus, all the subjects provided in the download center of the application. So install it and use it. After this session, next class we will start tomorrow, and a recorded session I am providing you on WhatsApp anytime, anywhere. You can see that with your notebook. You can stand with your notebook, stay with your notebook, pen, paper, and concentrate on the video at the silent area. Thank you. Thank you very much.